What is happening, guys? My name is Yusuf Zah. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about money, investing, trading, and all about saving. But in this particular video, we're going to be talking about Irvine. Not really. I mean, I'm here in Irvine visiting my parents, and I wanted to show you guys around a little bit. But unfortunately, because of the quarantine, I'm staying at home, not really going anywhere. So we're going to be talking about stock market today. We're going to be talking about Apple, Microsoft, and two of my most favorite ETFs, which are SPHD and basically SPYD. And we're going to be talking about Uber and one more stock that I've been looking at, and I think it has a lot of potential in it. So let's go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and talk about those. Let's roll. Alright, so is this stock market actually doing a rebound? Is stock market picking up again? Is it going back up again? And that's the question that, it's in everybody's mind nowadays. And I was just looking at the charts and trying to figure out what is the solution for the people who want to start investing into the stock market, and what are the stocks that you want to be buying right now. And of course, there's Microsoft, Apple, and a lot of the big companies out there, but you still don't know if it's the right time to start investing in them. Is the market gonna go down even more, or is it gonna go back up again and rebound? And it's gonna be a little bit too late to start investing into these companies after then. But what I notice is, even as of right now, if you're looking at the Microsoft stock right now, it's $174 as of today. And as of today, that is $174 is still about $14 less than the all-time high that it was about $188. And I think it's still a good time to actually start investing into it. But a lot of the other ones, basically like Apple, are basically doing the same thing. Apple right now is trading for $290, and then Uber is at $28.45. Even though the stock market came down today, which is today is the Friday, May 1st, that I'm filming this for you guys. By the way, tomorrow is my birthday, so make sure you smash that like button, leave me a comment down, and subscribe to my channel for my birthday gift. But Uber has been trending really well right now, and I know it's 6% down today. Microsoft is 2.7% down today. Apple is down 1.17%. But one stock that I really wanted to talk about was definitely one of my most favorite one, and it's called MFA. MFA Financial is basically a financial company in real estate sector that they're doing such an amazing job year after year, and they usually invest money into commercial real estate. And right now their stock is trading for $1.71, which is insanely low compared to what it was before the crash, and before we go for the basically coronavirus crash. And if you look at the 1 year mark, it was actually trending about $7.45 to $8 up and down here and there between different months, but now it's $1.71. And that's one opportunity that I like to basically share with you guys. I want you guys to be able to invest in something new every single day. I don't want you guys to be stuck with one or two different very popular stocks, because they're basically the lower risk that you're taking in terms of investing into the stock, the lower your return is gonna be. And sometimes you need to be able to invest in something that's a little bit more risky, something that is not as popular, and whenever that stock start raising, then you're gonna earn a lot more profit in it. And MFA Financial has been one of those stocks for me that I know the minute we're gonna get back on with the basically normal life that we had before the recession, before the coronavirus hit, the real estate market is going to go up rapidly again, and it's going to be a definitely great time for these companies to invest basically more into real estate and start making more money again and start building more buildings. And I think that's a good reason why you want to invest into a financial and basically into the real estate sector of the stock market as of right now, when everything is stalled and everything is stopped. And MFA Financial is one of my most favorite ones that it would be a great time for you guys to start investing into it. And right now, again, it's trading 172, and I think it's basically lower $5.78 compared to what it was within the past year. And it is a perfect time for you guys to start investing into it. And even if you look at the 1 month chart of it, it has been showing a pattern of going up, and within the past couple of days especially, it's been going up and down a little bit, but definitely you see even within the past 1 month it went up 40%, which is insane amount of gain, which is such a short period of time. So right now it's trending at 172, and since because the stock is so cheap right now, you guys would be able to invest more money into it, and you guys would be able to buy more shares, and the more shares that you're buying, obviously you're gonna have a better chance of making a lot more money when the stock start going back up. And at 172, I think it's gonna be a great volume for you guys to be able to purchase these right now, and when it goes back to $7-8, you made a great amount of profit on it. So hopefully you guys learned something from my video today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, wish me a happy birthday, and hopefully I will be able to see you guys soon. Hopefully the next video I'll be back home in Vegas and I will be able to film the next video for you guys in my house, but definitely keep in touch. I usually try to upload the videos on Mondays and Fridays, and sometimes it can go here and there, so I'm trying to be as consistent for you guys as possible. Hope to see you guys again soon. Have a great day. Ciao.